my name is Tanish. I'm studying in grade 5. Today I'm going to give a speech about dreams. So, what is the most powerful weapon in the world? Neither it's an atomic bomb or a nuclear bomb, or it's not even a snoring which my sister snores every time in the morning. It drives me crazy. She snores that the whole house will fly away. Now, let me say about you. Now, you see, like we will sleep every day night, most of us. What will you do when you're sleeping? You always dream of something. Sometimes dreams, something about dreams. Okay, we'll talk about dreams. So, what are dreams? As I already said, while you're sleeping, you will get dreams. That are dreams. What is the use of dreams? There are two types of dreams, which is good dreams and one more are nightmares. So let's go with the good dreams. Good dreams are dreams which is used to succeed in your life, and dreams is also an synonym of goals. So, for example, we can say that my dream is to go in military, and one can say my dream is to not to become an IT officer. So, in like this many say. Now let's go with nightmares. What are nightmares? Nightmares are bad dreams. For example, you're sleeping in a bed and a kidnapper kidnaps you in your dream. So that's known as nightmares. So we'll keep the nightmares aside or we'll throw it away. Now we'll start with the good dreams. So the good dreams are the dreams which is peaceful, quiet and good to us. We feel, why did this dream end? For example, you're in your bed sleeping and you are dreaming about something. For example, you're dreaming about, if you're a chocolate lover, you're dreaming about tons and tons of chocolate coming to you for free. But when in the school, when they get you like, hello, get up. Imagine your name is Tanish as my name. And my grandmother will always do, hello Tanish, get up, it's late for school. But it won't be late for school. My school timing is at 7:45. But my granny wakes me up at 6. So, in this, what we understand is in the school will destroy our dreams. I didn't mean that don't go to school because of dreams, but even schools help us to get our dreams. Okay, we'll see a small topic about schools. You know, we used to all study the best through the half yearly exam, PT1, PT2, yearly examination. Now, most of the students, whoever found the exam, I'll be very angry at them. If they come, I'll kill them. Like that, they'll be thinking. But here's a twist. So, what is the twist? The person who found the exam also found one more thing, which will be revealed at end of the video. And now, I will talk about dreams. We need to always follow our dreams. You know what is the full form of focus? Actually, it used to be 4 does. But the Greek changed it to 4 dash to focus, because focus means concentrate, but 4 dash means something different. It's an acronym. So what are acronyms? Acronyms are words which has a full form. For example, LED, something football full form, and SUV, sports utility vehicle. I like that. 4 dash also used to be an acronym. So what is the meaning of 4 dash? 4 dash means F for focus, and O for 1, D for dreams, and U for until, and S for success. Totally 4 dash means focus one dream until success. So we should always dream big and give goals. So as I already said about goals, I'll give a recap. Goals are things which is our target when we want to achieve. And next, in this target we get many things. But for example, you keep a target to save 500 per month while your pocket money is just 250. So what do? You help your mother in needing the dough, and you need to do many things. You need to clean the house, like that. So in that time, your mother gives you extra money or your father gives you extra money. So you need to make many efforts to save 250 rupees to 500. And here comes money. We need to say that if your pocket money is 600 and you need to save 500 per month, you will use the 100 rupees. And now we'll take the nightmares from there. So what are nightmares? Never trust nightmares. For example, nightmare, it came like you failed in your exam, and in that you failed in each and every subject, and your friends are laughing at you, the school bully is laughing at you, everyone are laughing at you. But you need to say, it will never come true. Only good dreams will come true. Nightmares are waste. They will never come true. You need to say that. So in this, what we learned is follow your dream. And this dream, we have many things. And we need to put a lot of effort in the time while we achieve our dream. In this, we learned that dreams are one of the most important things as money. And in this, the money also plays an important role. For example, you want to study in a big school to achieve your dream, but your parents can't afford that money. So what will you do? You'll work in streets, you keep snack shop, and you get money, right? And you olden days the people used to do like that. And like the same, nowadays also people are doing. So money also plays an important role. And your mind, your soul also plays an important role. So how? Your mind, like if you got a dream, like I become an engineer officer. But in your mind and soul, it's written that I want to become a scientist. It's not like that so compulsory that you need to become an engineer or you will become an engineer. If your parents force to become an engineer also, you won't do the job good. If in your mind there is scientist. In this video we learned about focusing on dream, and here comes the next part of the video. I already said the dreams and nightmares. Let me compare those two. So imagine this is dreams and this is nightmares. So dreams, nightmares. What if both combined together? Yeah, actually, dreams and nightmares both together is life. Which means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Same case, dreams plus nightmares is equal to life. You see, many good things happen in your life. Many bad things also happen in your life. In good things, for example, you won a lottery ticket, or else you get appreciation from your parents and school. The bad things are you get scoldings from your parents. By mistake you fell down and broke your nose, broke your knee. So this, in the life we will face both. We will face dreams and nightmares. We need to combine them together. When only dreams. So if you are the topper and you don't get any hurt, and if you do like that, life won't be easy. Because life will be easy, but when suddenly it changes to hard. For example, you get everything for about 30 years, and you never know what is a failure is. So if it's in a failure, if sudden failure appears, suddenly something happens, you would not be able to digest that. You would not be able to accept that this has happened. But in nightmares, you will not be able to accept that this good thing has happened. Your mind will begin to think negative. No, something is there in this. No, this is evil. This is that. This is like that. Like that, your mind will start thinking. But don't listen to your mind. Listen to your soul. So, nightmares and dreams combining creates life. In this video, we learned about dreams, nightmares and goals, and what is the importance of achieving the dreams and goals. Now, I would like to conclude the video with a thank you. Thank you.